Once upon a time, in the vast lands of ancient China, there was a great kingdom filled with rivers, mountains, and many villages. But there was a problem. To the north, wild raiders on horseback would swoop down, stealing crops and causing fear. The people of China lived in constant worry, unsure of when the next attack would come. One day, the first emperor to unite all of China, Qin Shi Huang, had an idea. He was tired of the constant threat, and he knew that something must be done to protect his people. He decided to build a great wall, one so big that it would stretch for miles and miles all the way across the northern borders of China. The emperor gave orders to thousands of workers, soldiers, and prisoners to start building the wall. The work was tough. The builders had to move huge stones across deserts and climb steep mountains, facing danger and hardship every day, but they did not stop. They worked together no matter how hard it got. But one day, disaster struck. As the workers were building in a particular rocky part of the mountains, a sudden storm rolled in. The winds howled, and heavy rains flooded the valley. Many of the stones and materials were swept away, and the workers feared they had lost their progress. The wall had been damaged, and the workers felt defeated. It seemed like their dream would never be finished. Yet Emperor Qin Shi Huang would not give up. He gathered the workers and reminded them of why they started this mission. He told them that the wall was more than just stone. It was a symbol of their strength, their unity, and their determination. With new hope, the workers began again. They rebuilt the wall, stronger and taller than before. As the wall grew taller and longer, the people saw something amazing happening. Not only was it a barrier against invaders, but it became a symbol of strength and determination of the people. Towers were placed along the wall so soldiers could keep watch. If danger came, fire signals would light up the sky, warning everyone. Years passed, and other emperors continued to work, adding more sections to the wall, making it stronger, and ensuring that it stretched farther than anyone had ever dreamed. It became a project that brought the people of China together, united in their goal. Today, the Great Wall of China stands as one of the most incredible achievements in history. It is over 13,000 miles long and is a place where people from all over the world come to see. The wall still stands strong, reminding everyone that when people come together and work towards something important, they can accomplish the impossible.